Today we're diving into Webflow, a website builder that claims to be a game changer for designers. But does it live up to that promise? Let's take a closer look at what this platform really offers and if it's worth your time. Webflow is a website builder that combines design flexibility with a powerful content management system. It's particularly aimed at designers who want to create responsive websites without diving deep into code. Right off the bat, you'll notice the visual editor, which lets you design in a way that feels intuitive. You can drag and drop elements, customize styles, and see your changes in real time, which is definitely a plus. However, while the design capabilities are robust, the learning curve can be steep for beginners. Some users might find themselves overwhelmed by the range of options and settings. One standout feature is the ability to create interactions and animations without needing any coding knowledge, which can give your website a professional touch. Still, there are some areas that feel a bit unclear, especially when it comes to hosting options and pricing structures. It's not always straightforward, and that might leave potential users scratching their heads. So, what are the pros and cons of using Webflow? On the positive side, the design flexibility is fantastic. You can create unique layouts that stand out, and the built-in CMS is a real asset for managing content. Plus, the animations and interactions can elevate your website's appeal. On the downside, the platform can feel a bit daunting for newcomers. The pricing model can also be a concern. It's not the most budget-friendly option out there, especially if you're just starting out. Some users might also miss more traditional templates that require less customization effort. If you're a designer looking for creative freedom, Webflow could be a perfect fit. But for those who prefer a simpler, more guided approach to website building, it might not be the best choice. In conclusion, Webflow is an impressive tool for designers who want to push their creative boundaries. However, if you're new to web design or looking for something straightforward, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's worth trying, but just be prepared for a bit of a learning curve.